How to remove featured photos on Facebook on iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so if you didn't know how to do it yet, then make sure to watch the video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So just click on the three stripes at the bottom right corner and then click at the top, see your profile. Right here you can see that the featured photo is right here. So yeah, I want to remove this one. So just scroll back up and click on the three dots right beside add story. And then click the one at the top, edit profile. And here you can see all your profile sets. So just scroll down to the featured tab. And once you're here at the featured tab, just click on edit. And your photo is right here. And you just want to click on the cross at the top right corner of that photo. So just click on that. Are you sure that you want to delete this? Yes, we want to delete it. So just click on delete. And then it's gone. So just click on save. And it is now deleted. So if you go back to your profile as well, it is here gone as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'd appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.